Good morning. Let me first take this opportunity to thank Shri Fahim Haq, Shri Raman Mishra, and the whole team of iLaunch Media for making such a wonderful AI transformation conclave come through and make it such a big success. We actually started this discussion more than 3 months back, where we wanted to have such a conference so that we can give a platform to various civil servants, various private sector organizations who are both, in a way, providing and using technology on the AI side as well as on various other aspects. If you see, since more than maybe a year or so, AI has become kind of the buzzword more than so much if it's actually required or not. So, it is very important, I believe, for all government officers, policymakers to understand how much of this would be required, what is the best way of implementing it, as well as learning from each other. And this conclave and similar platforms give a very informal and very interesting way for all of us to interact with each other, to learn from each other, to share our thoughts, to share our successes, to share our observations, and then go back and implement the same in whichever places we are working. In government, I'm sure many senior officers who are here, much more experienced and very efficient, would agree with me that in your day-to-day work of government, you sometimes tend to either forget or ignore some things, some priorities, some simple initiatives which may make a huge difference in your organization. I believe these conclaves, these conferences give us one very informal way out where we can look back and think and understand and design and plan how to initiate those things again and how to implement those things again. It could be the most simplest of the initiative, which might have a huge impact. In general, I'm sure all of you agree, in the government, more than the complexity, it is the impact which is given more of an importance. Complexity is more for the officials or the persons who implement it, but impact is what is looked at, and rightly so. So even a simple initiative, like it could be as simple as a chatbot or as simple as a WhatsApp-enabled citizen service, which are in today's date, in the age of AI already reaching its peak, one of the most easiest things to be done. But still, in government, it is not so easy to be done. In fact, I was discussing with few of the colleagues here. If any government department wants to, let us say, do a very simple initiative, as simple as, starting a chatbot in their website, the process in government is so complicated that it never goes through. And those things which are most complicated anyway will try to find a way is found out either through the push of the government or the, kind of whatever consultants or any big firms come in and do it. So I believe, again, this is a platform where we could understand how these things are solved across various states, across various organizations, how it is solved in the private sector. Because in today's lineup, I'm sure you will see that iLaunch has very interestingly, the way they have drafted the agenda includes both the private industry as well as the government industry sharing in kind of different brackets, so that the private industry, the partners of this conclave, can understand what exactly is the thought process of the policymakers and the government officials, And at the same time, from the government side, we try and understand how things work in the private sector. I mean, I have been attending iLaunch and various other conferences for the past couple of years, and I can definitely very, very confidently tell you that we learn so much in these conferences. Even if you are, I believe, even if you are able to take away 2 or 3 important learnings out of this, that is going to make a huge difference in the place wherever you are working. So once again, without taking much time, I would like to welcome each one of you to this beautiful city of Hyderabad, and from the government of Telangana and my Department of Electronic Services Delivery, which is termed as Me Seva, which is in fact more than a 20-year-old organization, and which has now clocked more than 21 crore transactions. I would once again like to welcome all of you, and looking forward to interacting with all of you and learning mutually and having a great day ahead. Thank you so much.